So hello guys, tapos na ang aking work today at bukas ulit. So yan, tapos na, naligpit ko na lahat and I'm done now. Tomorrow again, but look guys, the weather, at least the sunshine came out today. But later on will rain again. Only 1 minute the sunshine came and then will rain afterwards. Anyway guys, so I'm done for today. And of course, I wait for, I chill a little bit. Tapos uwi na ako. Tapos kanon, uwi. Tapos bukas work na naman. Maaga ako bukas kasi pag Monday to Friday may maagang pasok ko. Half day lang naman. I mean, 30 minutes lang naman earlier. Every weekend. So, yun guys. At ating kusina, yan. Nalinis ko na. So, yan, di ba? Lahat yan tidy up na.